If you just tuned in, we welcome you. You're listening to the longest running, most listened to real estate radio show brought to you by Security Pacific Home Loans, the #1 source for new purchase mortgages and refinance at today's historic low rates. Email us right now at sphl.com. We can even try to read your question or comment on the air because we'd love to hear from you. Now, let me give Rafi Kalajian here a little softball question. Actually, it's not a softball question. It's a question that probably no broker, or because we're not brokers, but banks or whatever lender you're going to talk to or see on TV is going to answer. Isn't it true that a rate is, they give you a quote on the phone, that's a guesstimate?
It is.
They know nothing about you.
They don't. And that rate could change. So what we do is we go into a little bit further in depth to find out the true facts of your scenario. And the only way anyone could ever guarantee a rate to you, Al, is once they take an application and validate that information. So when you are listening, even these rates, they're guesstimates, right? Because we don't know your scenario. But for you to get exact figures, you have to allow us to analyze your situation. You have to allow us to take that application. You have to trust us enough. Listen, bottom line is, and with rates being as low as they are, Al, I could assure you, as a homeowner looking to refinance or as a person looking to purchase your next property, you are going to get an awesome rate.
Yeah.
A very low rate from Security Pacific Home Loans. But what is that rate? That rate's going to depend on your scenario, right? So allow us to do that work. What we are, Al, is we are financial planners. We're going to look at your scenario. We're going to get you into the right loan. We're money giveawayers. That's the way I look at it. We're here to exchange your debt and give you a new debt. Right. And that new debt that we're going to give you is going to hopefully save you money, reduce the terms of your loan, and get you into a better situation. I'm going to ask some questions here, Al, to our listeners.
Okay.
I kind of know the answers to them, but I want our listeners to answer these questions while I'm asking them.
Okay.
Do you have too much or too little debt?
I think everybody would say we have too much debt in America.
And are the terms of those debts, are they too long or too short?
Definitely too long.
Okay. Are the payments too high or too low?
Too high.
Too high. Do you have enough cash in the bank as reserves
that
you would like to have? So let me understand
Everybody
this
wants
correctly.
more cash. Cash is king.
So let me ask you, let me recap here. You have debt. You're paying too much on it. You want to pay it off in a shorter period of time, and you want more cash in the bank.
Exactly. Isn't that financially smart for everybody?
You're absolutely correct, Al. That's what we're here to do.
Tune in every week to the Real Estate Radio Show. We're delighted you listened today, and we'll see you next time here on the Real Estate Radio Show.